Can you tile over existing tile in a swimming pool? So this question kind of presumes that you have a concrete swimming pool and probably you're undergoing a renovation or about to undergo a renovation, and somebody is recommending to you, hey, I don't need to strip all those old tiles off. I can just put some new tiles right over top, and then we can save a whole bunch of time and money here. And I will tell you two things. One, I have seen it done where it lasted, where presumably decades later, I'm coming along and I'm removing those tiles and I'm finding other layers of tiles underneath that nobody knew were there because who knows how old they are. So, in this one sense, yeah, in theory, I've seen it done and I've seen it work and I've seen it last a long time. As a contractor, I'm not in the business of rolling the dice. I am in the business of offering professional services, and I have to stand behind those services both with my name and also monetarily if something goes wrong. So, for my money, when people ask me, is it okay to go over top of old tiles? I say no, it's not because I have no idea what those previous installers did. And yes, it is a good sign that they're all still on there, which would mean it was done right and it's going to last forever. Or it could mean that it reached the end of its service life, and by next year, 30% of the tiles are going to fall off, including all of my nice new tiles, which I have put on top. And that's why I don't recommend it. I consider it to be cutting a corner. And I can't think of somewhere I want to cut corners less than an in-ground concrete pool, especially an older concrete pool. Don't cut corners. If you own an older concrete pool, I think probably go ahead and just adopt the strategy of doing it right from the beginning. Don't try to cut any corners. And probably what caused you to search and find this video is that it didn't sound right to you. It sounded like a little too good to be true. And I agree that it would be. It is a nice, smooth, flat, plumb square surface to set tiles on. Yes, thin set is heavily modified, so it bonds aggressively to stuff, but nothing bonds to a smooth surface. Old tiles are smooth, so right away you're going to have to do work to the surface profile to change it, aka like jackhammering or breaking up the surface to get the new thin set to grab. And even if it does grab, it's not going to have the same purchase that it would have adhering to a sponge float mud base finish that you would do for a fresh new tile installation. So if this were my pool, and that's generally how I like to answer these questions, if this were my pool, would I accept new tiles over the old tiles? Absolutely no. Get out of here. I want all of the old tiles off. I want to do an inspection. I want to see what's there. I want to do a fresh new mud base that is plumb and square with a sponge finish on it. And then I want to apply my new tiles to that because I know they're going to last when you do that. And if you're just going rolling over the old stuff, who knows how long it's going to last. And it just in general, concrete pools are just not a place that I take shortcuts, and I recommend that you don't either. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.